present tense, past tense, future tense. Present tense is me. Present tense is the form of a verb that show an action happening now regularly. For example, today is present tense. Past tense. The past tense is the form of a verb that shows an actions happen in the past tense. For example, yesterday is the past tense. The future tense tell us about tense. The future tense tell us about action that will happen later. For example, tomorrow. Present I do. Past I did.
Future I will do.
Go. In past I will went. I future I will go. In present I see. In past I saw. In future I will see. In present I sit. In past I sat. In future I will sit. In present I wear. In past I own. In future I will wear. Thank you.